Welcome to Session 24, Cumulative Math Modeling, Strategy, and Mixed Review. The capstone removes topic labels and asks learners to choose among arithmetic, proportional, algebraic, geometric, statistical, and probability tools. Strong performance depends on representing the situation, selecting a relationship, calculating accurately, and checking whether the result answers the actual question. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Select methods in mixed, multi-step situations. Combine percent, rate, algebra, geometry, and data reasoning. Use estimation, units, and answer choices strategically. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, name the target quantity before choosing an operation or formula. Use equations, diagrams, and tables to preserve relationships. Verify every answer by units, sign, magnitude, and context. Worked example 1. For an $800 item, discounted 15% and then taxed 7%. Apply the multipliers in sequence. The final price is $727.60. Check. The tax base is the discounted price, so adding percentage changes would be inaccurate. Worked example 2. A tank rises from 60% full to 90% full after 240 liters are added. The added amount is 30% of capacity. Divide 240 by 0.3 to get 800 liters. Check. 60% is 480 liters and 90% is 720, a difference of 240. Worked example 3. A 13-foot ladder has its base moved 8 feet from the wall. The height is the missing leg, so subtract 8 squared from 13 squared. The result is the square root of 105, about 10.2 feet. Check. Moving the base outward lowers the height below 12 feet. Watch for this common error. Choosing a formula from one familiar word instead of the full relationship. Correction. Define the target and constraints, then choose a representation before calculating. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Name the target, select a representation, write the relationship, estimate, solve, and complete a 5-part verification before committing to the answer. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.